Okay, welcome fourth graders to a science test review. Hopefully you have downloaded this on your iPod so that you don't need to use the internet, and you actually could be watching this science video while you're cruising with your parents to a restaurant, or you're chilling at home and you just want some extra review, or you're watching this video because you got done early with some of your other stuff. Either way, hopefully this helps you out for the test. We are going to be talking about plants and sunlight. A lot of what we talked about in this lesson is about photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants take in solar energy, carbon dioxide from the air, and water from the roots. So you have solar energy plus water plus carbon dioxide produces food in the plant. That's called photosynthesis. The food in the plant is called sugar. That is the food that a plant produces. It's called sugar or glucose. Okay? Another thing that you need to know is that photosynthesis also causes the release of oxygen. That's why plants are really good for us humans, because oxygen is released from them. They take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. And that's really good for us because we breathe in oxygen and release carbon dioxide. So that's part of the cycle of respiration. What else did we talk about in this lesson? We talked about what an environment was. An environment is all of the things that surround a plant or animal. So you're talking about the dirt, an organism, the air that surrounds the plant, all of the things that surround something, in this case a plant, is called its environment, right? So that's definitely a word that you need to know. You also need to know that there is a chemical in plants that makes plants green. That's called chlorophyll. So make sure that you see that in your notes. Chlorophyll is a chemical in plants that helps make them green. Let me check. Oh, there was also biomass. Biomass is kind of a tricky word. Bio just means life. Mass is all of the stuff that surrounds a plant or animal. All of the stuff combined, the amount of it is the biomass of a whole environment. Okay, it's the measure of all the stuff that's in that environment. Let me see if there is anything else you need to know. We talked about environment, we talked about oxygen, we talked about carbon dioxide. Oh, roots. You also need to know that roots of a plant, that's what anchors the plant down. Okay? That's what keeps the plant from blowing over. These roots are digging into the ground, and it keeps the plant strong and anchored. All right? So you definitely need to know that. I think that is about it for this lesson. Once again, this is plants and sunlight. I believe this is lesson 1, chapter 1, lesson 1 in your 4th grade science book. I hope this test review helps you, and I look forward to seeing you guys in class.